and that's the saucepan with the oil. The stew is ready as well. So the rice is ready, the stew too is ready, and it's ready to serve. Hi guys, today I'm here in the village of Akumersu Yiti, and I'm going to prepare food for my family here. Yeah, so they are my family, so I'm going to prepare breakfast. Actually, I'm going to do rice and stew. So let's get right into the video. I've already started. I set the fire by myself. That's the fire, and that's the saucepan with the oil. I just poured my water inside, and that's my rice. I have to wash it. It's a local rice. I have to wash the rice again. So that's my salt. So this is the sauce. Okay, so right now the rice is on fire. Yeah, so I'm about to grind pepper for the stew. So this is the pepper. It is the dried pepper. So this is what I'm gonna use. Okay, so you know what, my phone is low because here there is no light. We don't have lights here, so my battery is flat. So right now I'm using John's phone for this recording. So let me go get some water. So this is what we actually keep our water in. This is for drinking, yeah, and the one outside there in the blue thing is for bathing and for other stuff. So this is what we keep the water in for drinking and for cooking as well. So this is it. What are you doing, neighbor? What are you doing? I'm video anymore. Yeah. Can say hi. Yeah. Bye bye. So I'm going to grind the pepper. So actually I'm grinding the pepper and the onion. Back home I used to blend. I like using the blender so much. It makes it easier and faster. But with this one, it's manpower, very a little bit stressful, but definitely you have no choice. Even there is no light here, so what are you going to do? You have no other choice than to use the manpower. So this is the earthenware bowl. So this is called eta, abotayowa eta. Yeah. This is tomatoes. So now I'm going to prepare this too. This is a jungle, like palm kernel oil. It's made from the palm kernel. That's the palm nuts from that fruit. Stew is ready as well. The rice is ready. The stew too is ready, and it's ready to serve. They've gone to farm. I think they'll be coming home in no time so that we can all eat. I'm done. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. The battery is almost flat. It's almost down. So this why I'm going to end the video, and thank you so much for watching this video, and to meet again in my next video. Is your girl EfyaKimora. I love you, and bye bye. There is this animal that they've left this mark on me. Whoosh. I don't know whether you can see from here. I've been bitten by some animals here in the village. I don't know whether you can see from here. My whole hand has been bitten by some insects. Yeah, it's a village, so you should expect that.